Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Kia Soul GT vs full comparison. Follow along as I compare performance, comfort, and value so you can make a confident choice. I'll cover engine feel, interior space, technology, safety features, and ownership costs in clear terms. I'll highlight strengths and trade-offs for city driving, highway cruising, and long trips. Stay tuned for concise impressions and practical buying advice you can use. Let's dig into how the Kia Soul GT performs on road and in traffic with relatable details. I'll describe throttle response, braking confidence, and how suspension settings affect comfort across potholes and smooth pavement. We'll compare real-world fuel expectations and the car's personality when pushed through corners or relaxed on long highway stretches. By the end, you'll understand whether the Soul GT matches your driving priorities and style. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this useful, please hit subscribe and like, it really helps. On another note, I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and keep snacks tidy during road trips and test drives. I'll list that product and other deals in the description so you can check them out after the video. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll explore the interior comfort, tech, and safety features you'll use every day. I'll cover seating comfort for adults, cargo versatility, and how easy the infotainment and climate controls are to operate. Expect notes on material quality, visibility, and the usefulness of driver assist systems for commuting and parking. I'll also share tips for configuring settings to maximize comfort and convenience for regular trips or long drives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.